6,000. Example answer. First we will write 997 below number 3. 998 below number 2. Step 2. Below numbers multiply. 3 2s are 6. 1000 have 3 digits. Because 1 digit will come. That's why I put 2 digits. 0. Cross subtraction. 997 minus 2, 995. 998 minus 3, 995. Another example. 6, 9, 89. First step, write below numbers. 996 below number 4. 989 below number 11. Next step, into the below numbers. 4, 11 4s are 1000 have 3 digits. Already 2 digits come. Another digit 0. 80. After cross subtraction. 996 minus 11, 980. 989 minus 4, 989.